One world, one ride.
Hello guys, this is Debashish and welcome to the channel. Everybody must be wondering where I'm gonna ride next. I'm gonna ride to South Africa because that is the continent which I couldn't do it during my world ride. So yeah, we're gonna ride on Feb 20th. What is the ride all about? You can check it out. So I hope you enjoyed the riding videos. That is what we're gonna do from 20th of Feb. Now, who all are associated? Kevin Richards Foundation is associated with us. You want to know about Kevin Richards? Who is Kevin Richards? Please watch this video.
Hi everyone, it's Kevin here. Today we're going to do a different kind of video, not the kind of video that you're used to. Many of you have been following me for a long time, and today we're going to reveal something exciting, something that made me a little bit nervous to reveal, but stick around, something great is about to happen. Many of you have got to know me through my interactions with the lions and hyenas. You've seen me develop close bonds with them. You've got to know them. You've become part of the family. I have been fighting for these lions for many years. Many of you don't even know that I only acquired full ownership of all the lions in my care mid-2016. We've come a long way, and my interactions with the lions these days are not for myself. They're for them and for their enrichment. But we've got a lot more work to do. If we want to see an end to canned lion hunting in South Africa, if we want to see wild lion populations increase, I can't do it on my own. This is where I need your help. So many of you know Meg and Amy through my interactions on Lion Whisperer TV. You've seen us go out for walks in the wilderness. You've seen Meg and Amy hunting animals. You've learned a lot about lions through Meg and Amy. But not many of you know how Meg and Amy came into my possession. When Meg and Amy were about 16 months old, I went away on holiday and came back to find out that they had been sold off to a breeding farm, and my whole world was turned upside down. Not in my wildest dreams did I realize or understand that the animals that I was forging bonds with could one day be taken away from me and sold off. We went to this place to get them back, me and a colleague. And it was only then that it was truly revealed to me what was going on in this industry. I had heard from many various sources about canned hunting. I'd heard about breeding of lions in captivity. I'd heard about the conditions that they were kept in. But when you see where they've landed up, it is heartbreaking. We arrived at Meg and Amy's enclosure. I called out, as I usually did, "Maggie, Amy, come girlies." And out of a sea of lions, two lionesses put their heads up, looked, couldn't believe their ears, and came running to the fence. I looked at Meg, I looked at Amy, and I said to them, "Ladies, now's your chance to get out of here." And I took them back. In mid-2016, it was the day that I finally got ownership of these animals. It was a defining moment. that I realized I couldn't stop there. And I've been fortunate enough to be put on a platform to have a voice for lions where people are listening. And that is why we decided to start the Kevin Richardson Foundation. The Kevin Richardson Foundation was set up with 4 aims. The first aim is to create awareness and education on the fringes of these habitats where lions and other wild animals occur. Without educating people who live in and amongst these wilderness areas about why we need to protect these lions, they have no reason to. We will only protect what we love. And how do we get to love something? We get introduced to it. We grow to love it. The second aim of the foundation is to protect and maintain the Kevin Richardson Wildlife Sanctuary. This is where it all started, and these animals need lifelong protection. The third aim is to collaborate. We want to collaborate with like-minded people. It doesn't matter whether they're scientists, educators, or just the layman in the street, but we want to collaborate with you to bring an end to canned lion hunting in South Africa. And the last aim of the foundation, and probably one of the most important, is habitat reclamation. We've lost 90% of the range, of the former range that lions used to have, is gone. If we carry on at the same rate, by 2050, we're not going to have any more lions. So we owe it to them to give them a quality of life until the day they die. One of my greatest fears is that these lions outlive me. Who is going to care and look after them when I'm gone? That's where I need your help. We are fortunate enough and privileged enough to be part of a Big 5 game reserve that has the potential to expand far beyond the borders of just the sanctuary. And that is what the foundation's first project is going to be about. It's going to be about land for lions. We are aiming to now, for the first time, actually buy the land that the lions reside on. Up until now, we have only been tenants, we have only rented. It's time to buy. It's time to secure the land once and for all. Every day in South Africa, there's a Megan Amy born. The only difference is that their story doesn't end well. A lot of people ask me, it's hopeless, what can we do? And I think the answer to that is, you can try, you can be the change. So guys, will you join me on my journey in securing land for these lions with the Land for Lions campaign? And if you'd like to be part of it, you can click below and it'll give you more information about the campaign and what we stand for, and also the amazing incentives that you can get by donating.
Okay, so I hope you understood who is Kevin Richardson, and that is what has literally motivated me to see the lions of South Africa. And I'm not gonna ride my motorcycle from here to South Africa, obviously. I'm gonna go and take a bike from there, which is being organized by SAMA, is a company based in South Africa. They are arranging BMWs for us, and I believe BMW is an official partner for them. And we have very limited seats. Freddy is one of Freddy, Danny. A lot of people are riding. It's around 15 people, but then there are very limited seats left. If you would like to join this ride, then you can definitely get in touch with Kaizat. The number is given below. And see you. If you can make it, good. If you can't make it, then I will show it on the YouTube. So till then, to all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed, and I hope you like this video. And let's hope for the best. And I will try to film it better than the world ride. And let's see how it goes. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
One world, one ride.